In a colorful rural village at sunrise, a group of excited boys and girls gather under a banyan tree, trying to build their first small toy helicopter using bamboo, paper, and wires. Their first attempt fails dramatically as the blades snap off, and the second attempt barely lifts an inch before dying, leaving them discouraged, until the quiet youngest kid reminds them that dreams only fail when we stop trying. Inspired, they work together in a warm cinematic montage, tying bamboo carefully, adjusting tiny motors, painting the body bright red and yellow, and testing every part with determination glowing in their eyes. As the sunset paints the sky orange, they place the helicopter on a stone platform, count down, and hit the switch. The blades spin, dust rises in glowing particles, and the tiny helicopter lifts smoothly into the air, soaring above the village as the kids cheer in pure joy. Their creation rises into the golden sky, proving that even in a small village, a big dream can fly.